Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. My name is Joseph James. It's March 30th, 2011. Here's your live trade room recap. Boy, another great day in the room. And guys, I hate to break it, but I think the fast track is back. We had another great day in the room, but one thing we saw right away today was the fast track comes back. Now we had enough room for patterns. Now we had the better speed coming in. We took 4 fast tracks today. 3 winners, 1 loss. Guys, I don't want to say it yet. March is almost over. We're really excited about getting into April. I've been telling you guys for 2.5 weeks now, trust me, things will get better. And today was a little bit of an insight into what April 1st is going to look like. Had the fast track come back today, made a bunch of money in the fast track today. So great day today. And it really felt like we were getting back to normal this morning, didn't it? This really felt differently this morning than it did yesterday morning. All right, but what happened today? Well, it's a Wednesday, right? Good old hump day. And a Wednesday means we've got crude oil inventories. So the first thing we did this morning was we looked at crude, and whenever we got a Wednesday, inventories were at 10:30. Now what happens is my personality of crude is going to change from 8 o'clock to 11, right, to 10:30, and then to after 10:30. So for the most part, we could see 3 different faces of crude oil. Now what I try to do is I try to get to know the market as early as possible on Wednesdays. That way I can kind of watch, right, the day develop. This morning, what did we see? We saw pretty good movement, but it was pretty slow in a sideways range this morning. So we waited until after 10:30. Personality changed from before the news and after the news. So we didn't get anything on crude before the news. We got 1 trade before the news. But after the news, though, then the market started taking on a different personality. Market drops. We bought the support on the crude. Okay, so Wednesdays are always going to be, we're focused first, get to know that crude oil market. Because I've got inventories at 10:30. And if I get to know the market at 8 o'clock, I can make a much better decision at 10:30 by knowing what it looked like earlier in the morning. So Wednesday equals crude inventories for us, right? Now we know what we're going to look for on Wednesdays. We had a really easy job on gold today. Gold gave us a nice easy price pattern, nice wedge, nice channel, excuse me, not a wedge, a channel. So a price channel on gold. And we began at the highs. We broke above the highs, bought a pullback, and then we saw it come back off those highs, sold the highs. We missed a huge short at 10:30 from the news on crude. I'll show you guys that in a moment, right? I was ready to scream, right? We were looking to sell the highs on the gold channel. And of course, 5 minutes of the day, from 10:25 to 10:30, and sure enough, it tumbles, right? So we had this big trade on gold we had to skip because it happened right at 10:30. Little bit disappointed in that, but that's okay though. We had a pretty darn good day. The crude oil was sideways most of the morning, and we tried to buy the lows, tried to sell the highs. It was very slow. We'll take a look at that in a moment. But then what happened? 10:30. What happened, guys? Price drops. And when price dropped, we had a very easy support level waiting for us, and we bought the lows, right? We bought support when price dropped on crude. All right, guys, the fast track trades were back today, and that was kind of the word. That was kind of the best thing that happened today. Seeing the fast tracks come back, and what I mean by that is I mean the market gave us enough room, the market gave us enough speed, the market gave us enough consistency in the buyers and sellers, and so we're able to call those trades confidently. 4 trades. 3 winners, 1 loss. We took 20 ticks out of the market in the fast track. That's $200 today on 1 contract. And whether you were a guest or a member, everyone had the same exact entry, stop, and target for the fast track. It was a great day. Our auto trader keeps winning. We brought in the auto trader this morning. We talked about the Russell today, among other markets we can trade. I can trade any market I want on the auto trader, but today we saw the Russell finish up a nice 200 tick winner. We've got $2,000 in the crude today, on the crude this week. We got $2,000 on the Russell this week. We've had a huge week on the auto trader, and we did a special training with members this morning on the auto trader itself. So we showed our members this morning how to set up the auto trader, how to run the settings, how to back test, how to optimize it. And the great thing about the auto trader is that you're always going to get the same exact results that I do. Now, you may not have the same long-term results, but we will take the same exact trades every single day on the auto trader. If you want to know more about the auto trader, just log into your advanced course. It's included with advanced membership, guys, and it works on any market, any time frame, 1 contract, 1,000 contracts, and I'm going to post more information about the Auto Trader right below this video right now, so grab a look at that link below the video. All right, and last but not least, right, let's not forget, March is almost over. Tomorrow is our last day of this crazy month of March. We had a great first 2 weeks of the month, but the last 2 and quarter week here have been challenging. We are excited to get out from behind the end of the first quarter and get ready to go in April here. Now, April 1st is Friday. So we've seen a great day today. Hopefully tomorrow is another great day. Boy, it feels like we're starting to make that rebound right now. And once we make that rebound, don't be surprised if we start doubling our income here in the month of April. How we do today, though? Let's see how we did. Now, a great day, obviously. On the advanced method here, right? 2, 4, 6, 8 trades on the advanced. 203 ticks out of the market. On the fast track, again, 4 fast track trades. 1 was a loss on gold, cost you 10 ticks, and then we took winner, 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 crude, and gold for a total of 20 ticks total. Now our daily goal is 30 ticks, but as you can see here, guys, on our results here, you can see we're definitely happy that we actually got trades to take today on the fast track. Now remember, what's the difference? Well, the advanced method made $2,000 today. Okay, we've made $4,700 this week on the advanced method. That's 4 contracts I trade on that. I trade 1 contract on the fast track. Now, why do we have advanced trades but no fast track trades? It's because the fast track method is very strict on my rules. And I do that for 2 reasons. The first reason why I'm very strict on my rules is to set a good example for my clients. If you're a guest in the room, you know that a fast track trade is the best pattern. You can rest assured confidently. If you're a member, I'm now reinforcing this for you in the room that you've already learned in our members' trainings. So there's 2 reasons why I call out these very high percentage. I give you the entry, stop, and target. 1 is to prove it works and to give my guests the ability to trade along with me. 2, I'm now going to reinforce the materials my members have already learned by demonstrating it live in real time. It helps everybody participate, and whether you're a guest or a member, you can make this same fast track money with us. So come out and join us for a free trial. Come into our trade room. I'll give you all the information you guys need. I'll even tell you where to get in and where to get out. That way I can prove to you guys the method works. So $200 in the fast track this week. We've had a hard time seeing fast track patterns, so we're really excited. Today felt like we were getting that speed back, getting that volume back, getting that market back that we lost from earlier this month. So 31,000 now for the month. Very happy with that. We broke January's record. 31,000 for the month. Tomorrow we'll hopefully be able to break February's record. So 31,000 on the advanced, 2,800 on the fast track. So if you were a guest this morning, if you were a guest in the room this week, okay, we gave you the entry, stop, and target. This month we've made our guest 2,875, guys. Whether you know nothing about this method, you made money this week with us in the room.